Got the C10 out there just stopping traffic. People keep driving by and slowing down to get a look at her. All right, guys, so I've been out here all morning kind of straightening up. You know, I might look a little sweaty, but that's because I've been putting in some work. It's hot out here. It's Arizona, so it's hot. I'm gonna be a little sweaty from time to time. Might look a little flushed, but it's fine, I'm all right. Anyways, I'm making some room in the garage because I got a special delivery today. You guys aren't gonna wanna miss this, so stay tuned. And I know, I still need to finish up the lights. I still got these corners. I haven't found the wire track that I like to get these wires tied up. I also kind of been busy with the S10 and might have, you know, been procrastinating on this, but we're gonna get back to finishing this garage soon. But today's video is definitely something for the garage. Oh yeah, the cabinets are here. Yeah, boy. That's right, guys, the garage cabinets have finally made it. Oh, I cannot express how excited I am. I've been waiting for about a month, maybe a little bit, over a month now for these since I've ordered them. Due to everything that's going on right now, they're backed up. But these cabinets are from NewAge products. You can go to their website, www.newageproducts.com, to check them out. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I just know that a lot of you guys are probably gonna wanna know where I got these from. The dude that delivered these, he was badass. He was cool. Name was Roderick. Can't remember the company that delivered these, the actual delivery company, but shout out to them and him because he was cool enough to actually offer to bring these into my garage. Normally it's supposed to just be a curbside delivery, and he was cool enough. He was like, hey, I'll put them in the garage, but this one box right here, it's kind of hard to see, is too tall on the pallet to get into my garage door. So dropped them off right there at the edge. So I'm gonna break this thing down and get all those boxes inside the garage so we can start putting them up. Opens this way. Forgot which way my own gate opens. Put that there for now. All right, we got the cabinets in the garage. Ooh, I'm sweaty. Got the cabinets in the garage. Now all that's left is everything. But let's open these bad boys up and see what's inside. Oh, I'm all itchy. When I get sweaty, I get itchy. Is that weird? Is that normal? Something wrong with me? Anyway. All right. Let's open these boxes, rocks. So, the first box, we have, oh, these are the LED lights. Oh, these LED lights were actually free with the purchase. They were doing like a promotion or whatever, where these were free with the purchase of the cabinets, but I thought that they were bigger than this. Which, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm still happy that they were free, but the picture made them seem like they were a lot bigger than this. So There's 3 of those for above the workbench. Where'd my knife go? Found it. So I'm gonna open these boxes. And I'm using this knife that one of my buddies made me. Custom made knife. Little jabber. He does custom knives. His company is called Untitled Knife Co. He's on Instagram. Check him out. Dude's killing it right now. I think he has like between 30 and 50 people in line for a knife. I mean, the dude's just killing it right now. But this was the 3rd knife he ever made, and he made it for me. So I've had this thing for quite a while. It's still pretty sharp. I've never tried to sharpen it. The edge is good. I mean, dude's killing it. So check him out on Instagram, Untitled Knife Co. And maybe he'll make something for you. Maybe you'll see something you like. But I'm gonna use this to open these boxes now. And that is a plug for him because friends support friends. I shouldn't be waving a knife at you guys. But support your friends. That's all I got to say. Oh, that's satisfying. Just want to show you guys how well these things are packaged. I mean, they obviously use the inside of these cabinets to store all the other stuff to minimize the size of the shipment. So, but I mean, this thing is like, I mean, it's wedged in here. Gotta really push. Oh. I mean, styrofoam that's like preformed everything. Really well packaged. I was kind of worried that, you know, I was gonna have to deal with possible damage and, you know, having to deal with getting a claim and getting something replaced. But I mean, these things were shipped so well, and, you know, nice thick cardboard boxes, edge protectors, the works. They were shipped so well that there isn't a single bit of damage anywhere. So that's awesome. Almost forgot to show you this. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It wrapped me in the nuts. Anyways, I almost forgot to show you the best part. This bad boy right here. Oh yeah. We have 2 options, bamboo or stainless steel. And stainless steel doesn't cost any extra, so like, why wouldn't you go with stainless steel? Get this up here. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Here's a quick little mock-up of the cabinets. Obviously these 3 will go up here across the top. Look at that stainless steel top. That's looking good. And then these drawer cabinets will go on casters. That's why there's kind of a gap right here. So they'll be on casters and be able to be removed and wheeled around the shop, or garage I should say. Yeah, look at that, that looks good. But I got all this garbage I gotta get rid of now. Look at that, it's insane. And we're back. It's the next day, obviously. Went and got my hair cut, got everything mounted up and finished up in here. And I still got a little bit of, there's some sticker residue on these I gotta clean off. Other than that, these cabinets are pretty much in and done. Now I just gotta get everything filled up and stuff put in there. So each of these locker cabinets come with 3 shelves, and you can orientate them however you want. There's a bunch of different shelf settings that you can set those to, or heights I should say. And then it also comes with a coat hanger rod. I just have that in there for now so I don't lose it. Kind of customizable, And then these, like I mentioned before, are on wheels. So you can pull these out, wheel them around your garage if you want. Smaller cabinet, one shelf. Whoops. And then these upper cabinets are just open, no shelves. It all bolts together. So these cabinets are all bolted together, and they are also bolted to each side cabinet, along with being anchored into the studs themselves. And then also the stainless steel top is supported by, there's an L-shaped bracket in here that bolts the top down to here. And it is also anchored to the middle cabinet. I had to trim the baseboards a little bit so that these would sit flush against the wall. So these cabinets were really simple to put together. There wasn't a whole lot to them. All you had to do is put the feet on the cabinets that are freestanding and put the casters on the rolling ones. But overall, I'm very happy with the cabinets. Like I mentioned earlier, they're packaged extremely well. There was no damage, so I didn't have to deal with, you know, creating a claim. I guess the only really thing that I kind of wish was different about them is I wish they were just a little bit bigger. This is the Bold series, and they have the Pro series, which is a little bit bigger, but they're also twice as much money. So I don't think for the little bit of more room that you're gaining was worth twice as much money. So I'll just live with these. If I need more room, I can always add on and then go from there. As you can see, I mean, I'm about 6'1", 6'2", somewhere around there, you know, and it's just about above my head. Countertop, just a little bit lower than I would like, but other than that, the cabinets are great. Highly recommend them. If you guys are thinking about getting some sort of garage cabinet, whether you need storage or for tools or anything like that, it's kind of an all-around system. And they have many different configurations, different number of pieces and kits. So just check them out, see what works best for you. This is kind of starting to sound like a commercial for them. All right, well, I feel like I've rambled long enough about these cabinets. So if you've made it to this point in the video, you've either been entertained or got something from this video. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell if that's something you're into. Just passed over 700 subscribers, and that is just crazy to me. To all of my subscribers, I appreciate everything you guys do to support the channel. So let's just keep this going. I kind of want to do something, kind of want to interact with you guys a little bit more. So leave a comment below with some sort of question or something you want to know, and then maybe I'll do like a Q&A video to where I can kind of interact with you guys. I haven't really figured out how to do a live video yet, so maybe I'll look into doing that. But yeah, leave a comment below and let me know if that's something you guys are into. If you want to do a Q&A or something, or have me do a live video. I don't know what I do it on, but we'll figure it out. All right, guys, like I said, I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you on the next one.